Have you ever spotted a name on the back of a yacht and wondered how they do it? Today, we reveal those secrets behind those designs with the help of Yacht Graphx. A custom name to the back of your boat gives personal touch, gives meaning to your boat. And every time you cast off, you feel that. Take, for example, my boat name, Serenity Seeker. For me, I like to know when I take off, I'm at peace and I disconnect. And that's what I get every time with my boat name. To learn more on how it's done and what your options are, let's kick it over to Julian.
Thanks, Tony. Yes, I'm lucky to be here at the Ocean Alexander Rendezvous today with our friends from MarineMax. My name is Julian Rasolo from the Yacht Group. What are the benefits of Yacht Graphx? We're here to make your boat stand out. We're using high quality material built to last that truly match your taste with custom design and enhance the look of the vessel. Yacht Graphx defines your boat by turning a simple name into a powerful statement. As I always say, we remember a boat by its name. And with Yacht Graphx, you have the ability to create an identity. Your customization options are truly endless. We can do any font, design, size, material. There is a lot of different options when it comes to materials. Like I mentioned, everything is totally custom. We've done some letters in carbon fiber, wood, even porcelain, but I would say the most popular are by far our 316L high mirror polished stainless steel. The best way to start customizing your project is to visit our website. We developed a name generator that allows you to enter the name of the boat, see all the different fonts available, and it's user-friendly. You can select one or several, and our team will get back to you. At Yacht Graphx, we're really specialized in the illumination. We're using individual LEDs that allows us to place them all around the edges and the fastening of the system. They are low voltage, low amperage, they don't overheat, they don't burn, which really provides you a perfect glow all around the letters. No hot spots, no darker corner. That's really what set us apart from the competitions and any products out there. In terms of choices of colors, you can go with any single color of your choice, RGB multicolor illumination, or a newest addition, the digital dancing LEDs. Or DDL basically will change the color within the letter instead of on the full name. So reach out to our team. We'll be able to provide you a Photoshop mock-up of the design on the back of your vessel so you can truly get a representation of the final result. Another great option is lacquered acrylic material. You can even combine both of them to add more depth to the design, like a three-dimensional look on a triple layer construction. At the end of the day, we're here to serve you and to provide you the best experience possible when it comes to customization, and possibilities are endless.
Thanks, Julian. Visit MarineMax.com to find your next boat or yacht. And we here at the Yacht Group and Yacht Graphx will make that boat truly yours.